What up, YouTube? Today we got my bike right here, just as a roller. We're about to put in this new ARC Billet Sidecover, put my cam back in, and install all these other little goodies I got. Exhaust bolts, exhaust gaskets, the bunks for the Billet Sidecover, all the hardware. Let's take all that out because we got to install this bad boy. There's the gasket down there. These are from Small Engine Cams, smallenginecams.com if you want to order. But yeah, let's get right into it. We're finna start on my motor. So this is how it looks right now. You'll see me put on the billet side cover now. Usually you don't have the gasket holding it on there pretty tight. So what you do is you hit the side with the hammer, get this side here, like that, and then you hit it harder. So this is the inside of the gasket. That came off. There's not really no residue or nothing. So I got off. Make sure there's nothing crazy. So I'll put a sticker inside. Good. That's pretty good now. Alright, so yeah, pretty much did everything. What the fuck else do I have to do? Cam unit these from Small Engine Cams. You can use suitable for purchase. So slap it on right there. Get this ventilation. Alright, so check it out. This is what it's looking like with that new billet side cover. Looking fire. As fuck. Time to throw on the exhaust and the rest of the parts to rebuild the motor. Now it's looking so far. We got pretty much everything on. About to just route the line right now. Probably I'll pull out the line and do that, and then we're almost through the first startup. Let's put this crank seal in there too. Put that in there. 10 minutes later, I finally got this bearing on. That shit was so hard to seat on there. It goes so hard to get in there, but it's on. So we're good now. Let's do the rest. Just go to that, get the washers. Okay. Alright, so she's all put back together. Everything's done. Actually, do the side cover on. Sauce, strap down. And billet valve covers on. Hopefully she starts up. Let's see right now.